Hello everyone, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. We've got this 2017 brilliant black Audi S3. It's a 2-litre TFSI Sportback S-Tronic quattro. It's currently at 48,065 miles. It is a petrol automatic with a full service history. Really nice, lovely car regarding its exterior and interior. Feel like it will get a lot of attention. Not only that, it comes with the 19-inch alloy wheels with a 5 twin spoke star design in the matte titanium look. Also includes the red brake calipers with the S3 logo. Really nice addition to the vehicle. It's got really nice alloys. I will post the alloys on the actual Auto Trader page as well, so you can have a really good look. Also, it comes with a full service history, like I mentioned. I will post these also on the Auto Trader page, so you can have a good look. Not only that, it comes with the privacy glass at the rear and the tailgate with the silver sheen roof rails and the auto dimming rear view mirrors, which are heated, and they also fold. Not only that, at the front and at the rear they have the LED dynamic indicators and LED headlights with the headlight washer system. Really nice car. Not only that, it comes with the sport suspension and the, like I mentioned, the rear privacy glass. Really nice car. I'll just show you inside of the vehicle. As you can see, it comes with the child protection lock, electronic windows, electronic adjustable wing mirrors with the folding mechanism and heated mechanism, lock, storage compartment, lovely sport bucket seats with the carbon black leather seats, automatic headlights just there. Not only that, additional feature is that it comes with the flat bottom steering wheel with features such as cruise control just there, voice control, Bluetooth hands-free, sat-nav navigation as well on the digital cockpit. Also includes the gear shift paddles here and here with the automatic wipers. Really nice digital cockpit as you can see, with plenty of features, as you can see. Radio, energy consumption, MPG, really nice, plenty of spec on the actual dashboard. Not only that, it comes with the really nice display with drive select mode with efficiency, comfort, auto dynamic. Not only that, it has the radio, which includes DAB, FM, AM and Bluetooth integration. Media, obviously you need Bluetooth connectivity with that, and also telephone. You'll always need to connect your phone. Not only that, it comes with the sat-nav navigation. So yeah, that's a really nice feature of the vehicle. And Audi Connect, which you will obviously need to pair your phone, but there is plenty of different apps you can use on there. Not only that, Audi smartphone integration, which you'll need to connect your phone, but it has got it, and plenty more settings. Not only that, it comes with the front heated seats at the driver's and passenger side with 3 different settings. Just there, working perfectly fine. 12-volt plug socket, storage compartment, 2 cup holders, automatic transmission. Not only that, it comes with the electronic parking brake and wireless charging just there, which is a real nice feature underneath the armrest, and auxiliary and 2 USB outputs. Really nice car. I'll just show you the rear. As I mentioned, it comes with the rear privacy glass, electronic windows, storage compartment, carbon black leather seats with the ISOFIX seats just there and there. Immaculate condition on the leather interior. Really nice seats. Not only that, it has a 12-volt plug socket and air conditioning at the rear. Really nice, plenty of leg space. At the back, as you can see, plenty of boot space. It also comes with a additional spare tyre, which is a really nice additional feature. Val's done a great job cleaning the vehicle, although the vehicle did come in a very nice condition. And it also comes with a storage compartment and a 12-volt plug socket just there. There you go. There's a final look of the vehicle. Amazing car. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle, or information about your own part exchange or financing the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.